Guys, Reese here. Welcome back to another video. We're on a boat!
I'm wearing a life jacket.
I'm fat now.
You're not fat.
No!
Oh, look, there's a boat going past.
There's a boat! Hurry up, slow coach!
Hurry up, slow coach.
Wibble wobble, flip over.
Do you want to take a tour of the boat and I'll follow you?
Yeah!
Okay then.
Okay, so these are the seats. And this is the driver's seat. This, I have no idea what the name of is.
Well, ask Grandad.
This is a floaty thing.
That's all right. Where are you?
I don't know!
Just coming.
There's a little seat in here and come
All right,
around
okay.
here.
All right. Okay.
Is an old sweaty man's place. I'm joking.
Right.
I think this is some kind of like a bed or something.
Sorry.
And here, it's nice. Excuse George. In here is the bathroom, I think so.
Okay.
It is. I definitely need it.
Okay, well, I'm not going to video you having a wee. Is that okay?
No. I'm not sure if that is one. I don't need it.
Yeah, she's
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fire extinguisher. Can we show them the outside of it? Come on.
Go to check with the doctor.
Canoe.
There's something that happens
A
around
canoe.
about late
There's a
50s,
canoe.
60s,
And
about
here?
when it peaks,
Right.
particularly in
Canoe.
women.
Yeah.
So there's something
Here's the
about,
outside.
there's a build-up of crystals
other buds.
in the ear.
Hi.
And something very simple can shift it,
Yeah.
and that can bring it very seriously.
I don't want to get onto that one. I'm getting back in that boat. I am.
And here's the outside.
Okay. Should we tell them that we shall make another one when we're about to set sail and go out to sea? Oh.
We will see you when we are out.
Hang on. What's the boat called?
The Lancia Stratos. It's called the Lively Maid.
You mean the Lively Maid?
Lively Maid.
Okay then.
Goodbye, Sir Explorers.